Hi, I'm Trina. I'm Trina Frometa, and I have a passion for teaching dance for people that live with Parkinson's. I want to invite you for the next SICA Explore workshop where I'm going to be explaining you about this beautiful program, and also I'm going to be teaching a very joyful class for this community. This workshop is going to take place on December the 15th at 1 p.m. New York time. Do you know why dance is much more than just a physical activity? Because not only help you improve coordination, balance, flexibility, oxygen circulation, dopamine production, general well-being, but it's because dance has a plus that goes beyond the body. Dance opens up a safe space that allows the participant to express from the inner self with freedom and creativity. Dance for Parkinson's, it's not only an exercise class, but it's also a healing class activity. Now, I want to show you a video about dance for Parkinson's. This video was made at Stanford University, Palo Alto, California.
Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder. Resting tremor, slowness of movement, stiffness, and difficulties with balance. We also know that it has a lot of what we call non-motor features. These can be anxiety, depression, sleep disorders, pain, autonomic nervous system disorders. Unfortunately, some people can also have cognitive problems that lead to dementia. So it is a motor and non-motor disease that affects really the whole brain. There's a lot of research in both animals and in human subjects with Parkinson's disease that exercise is very beneficial. It actually promotes what we call neuroplasticity. The brain almost regenerates. Dance itself also has quite a lot of research as far as improving the mobility and balance in Parkinson's disease and gait quite dramatically, people's ability to walk. Dance for Parkinson's Disease is a program that was developed at the Morris Dance Group. In about 2001, Ole Westheimer, who led the Brooklyn Parkinson's support group, marched into the Mark Morris studios and she said, I would like you to teach people with Parkinson's disease how to dance. And David Leventhal, who's now the program director of Dance for PD, began to teach dance to people with Parkinson's disease. They have now trained over 600 teachers who are now certified Dance for PD instructors in over 16 countries and 100 communities. So it is being practiced all over the world.
I was a tap dancer growing up, and a friend told me that they were going to start Parkinson's dance at Stanford, and I was ready.
I have known all my life that I am no good at dancing. Now at least I have a good excuse.
What we've been told by people who do Dance for PD is that suddenly they feel beautiful again. Their bodies feel like they can move. They have a sense of themselves as they used to be. And I think that is incredibly powerful as far as brain health.
I think it's a combination of feeling the connection with my body that is a positive connection and that reminds me of maybe my old self and feeling good about moving.
The full impact of Dance for PD is not just like an exercise program. It is something that engages cognition and it engages the cognitive domains that are specifically affected in Parkinson's disease.
It gives me the sense that I can handle what is ahead for me. There's a joyfulness that I feel from the class that carries through. and powerful kind of feeling, that I can do something to make myself feel good.
Hope that give you a good idea about the benefits of dance for people with Parkinson's. And I also hope you join me on SICA Explore on my event on December the 15th to know more about this activity. See you there.